Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you're here because today we're going to be digging into my latest Armoire collection. This is a big one and they're all my picks. All right, so 6 styles we're going to get into in just a minute. If you're new, I'm Laura. This fuzzy white bum is Wyatt. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. So Armoire is a rental service. They have all the clothes from Z Supply to Paige to Tart to Joe, all the styles. Steve Madden, they have them. Blank NYC, they have them. You can rent styles in 3 different options and you can pick them. You can have your styles pick them or you can do a combo of both. Let's get into my styles and then we'll talk about it. All right. So I do the unlimited plan, which means that I get 6 styles, which can swap during the month. But they have 2 others, and I'll explain those as soon as I get done showing you my items for rent. You can keep them if you want to. I have done that. My last one was such a great collection, and I did end up keeping 2 items out of that one. All right, so first up, and these are all my rentals. They are jeans and jackets. So that's what you're going to see. I think I have 3 of each. First up is by Steve Madden. How adorable is this? Do you not love this green color? And the mixed media here, mixed prints. I love this. Mixed fabrics, I mean. Love the little zipper there at the sleeve. The quilted and then the Sherpa. So cute. Okay. Then we have some fur jackets. Because you know, it's cold outside right now. It has been below freezing for a few weeks now. This one is by Tart collection. This is so cute. I think is this one reversible? It is. This one is reversible. So cute. Check this out. Love that with the satin and the fur. Is that not adorable? Little pockets in the front, and then it's reversible so you can just do the satin side. That's so cute. That is so cute. One more jacket. The color of this one. I love this. The color is so gorgeous. All right, so this one is by Unreal Fur. Oh, when I saw the color, I had to have it. Is this not gorgeous? All right, so it has a hook up here at the top and a hook here, so it looks like 2 of them. It's a little bit of a crop style. It's in this gorgeous cobalt, and check out the pattern kind of going through that. Is that not gorgeous? This one might have to stay with me. That's so pretty. All right, I have one more. I have one more jacket. I can't even get everything out. Sheesh, having so much trouble. So how about this jacket? This is a small. I think I forgot to ask for an extra small, but this is an oversized blazer with all of this yummy shine to it. Purples, pinks, black. Is that not gorgeous? Pocket in the front. I think I might not have paid attention to sizing, but this size is a small, but we're going to see. It is so cute, double-breasted. Can't wait. All right, so then I have a pile of clothes. I have Paige denim. These are the Sara straight ankle. This nice blue stretch. And the last item is a pair of DL 1961. And these are the Patti straight 27-inch. Make this light wash. Aren't those cute? All right, those are all my styles. Let's talk about the different options. So I already mentioned the unlimited plan. That one is super fun because you always have clothes that you can rotate. You get 6 items at a time. You can always pay for extras if you want. And if you wear 3 of them and want to swap out 3, you can do that throughout the month. Or if you wear them all and you want another collection, you can do that. That one is $249 a month. If you use my link, you'll get half off your first month, plus you get 2 extra bonus items. All right, so then we have the 7-item capsule. And in that capsule, that means that you get 7 items to wear as you wish throughout the month. You don't get to swap them out as it's not unlimited. You get 7 items, you wear those throughout the month, and then you get new ones for the next month. That one is $119. If you use my link, you'll get 35% off, which would make it $77.35, plus you'll get those 2 bonus items the first month. If that's too many clothes, you don't need all that. You just want some pieces to swap in and out that are real statement pieces. Then they have a 4-item capsule, and that works like the 7. You get 4 items to wear throughout the month as much as you want, and then you get new items in the next month. That one is $89 regularly. If you use my link, you'll get 25% off, taking it down to $66.75, plus those 2 bonus items. Let's get to this try on and see how I did. First outfit, I won the DL 1961 and this fun metallic double-breasted blazer. So this is a bit oversized on me. I probably could have done a small, but if I just have a tank on a tank underneath it. If I wore something bulkier like a sweater, I'd probably be happy for the room. It has a black lining. I love all the colors in this. It's so pretty. Buttoned it up since I have lots of extra room. It's a little long in the sleeves, but again, I think I could easily just put a little cuff, push this up a little bit. It's going to be so adorable as a statement jacket. Put this over all black, over a black dress. So pretty, but I think it looks all right with denim as well. It does have pockets here. They're still sewn shut. So cute. And then the denim, this is a nice light wash, nice length, not too long on me, 0 stretch. These are 100% cotton. This would be a great outfit. Just put on a gold belt and I think I would be ready to go. Do you not love this? So fun. All right, so this one is called the Hutch Nico long sleeve blazer. It retails for $297. If I wanted to buy it, I could get it for 25% off at $223. For the DL 1961 Patti straight leg cuff jean, I'm wearing a 26, which is my normal size. $255 is a normal price. If I wanted to keep them, they'd be $191 at 25% off. Next up, how about this awesome jacket? So check out the sleeves. It's got the crop sleeve. It has this awesome satin trim on the first side. It has the trim at the bottom in the satin as well. The trim on the pockets hits me right above my wrist. So cute. It has the best little collar, but not in front of my neck. It's so cute. Oh, I love this. Love it. Let's hurry up and do a quick change and see what the other, well, let me open it first and then let me show you what the other side looks like. So here's what it looks like open. I think it's equally as cute. And here's the other side. You would have to cut the tag out, so whoever's rented this before me hasn't worn this side yet because they would cut that tag out. Check out this uber fun way the collar looks on this side, but then it's all no trim other than at the sleeve, which I'm in love with, and at the collar. This jacket is so adorable. Very different and unique. I love it. All right, so this one is called the Tart Meryl Cropped Reversible Faux Fur Jacket. I'm wearing an extra small, $218. If I wanted to keep it, my price would be $122 at 44% off. So cute, right? So now I put on the Paige denim, love, and this awesome little Sherpa and nylon jacket. This jacket is so cute. The sleeves were long on me, so I just did a quick cuff, but if you have longer arms than me, then you could just leave that straight down. Here's what that looks like. I'm loving the contrast in this. It is a little bit boxy. It's not lined because you're getting the feel of the softness on the inside. It snaps front. Fun little patch pockets here. We go with just about everything. So cute. The jeans are really nice. These have a little bit of stretch to them, hitting me right at my ankle. I'm loving them. I really like these. So the Steve Madden Iris Sherpa Quilted Jacket, $119. If I wanted to keep it, 15% off, $101. And for the Paige Sara High Rise Straight Ankle, $249. If I wanted to keep them, 20% off at $199. All right. And we have one last item. Hopefully saved best for last. Okay. I knew this was love at first sight. This one is lined. It is so amazing. It does have, I think, oh, there's inside pockets. How fun is that? Inside pockets. Just one on this side, inside pocket. No pockets on the outside. This blue is so vibrant. How gorgeous is that? It's crop style. It has 3 hooks. They're the kind that pop out here. You can see that. So they pop out, so they're easy to find, and you can just hook these closed. Probably one of the easier ones I've done. I still have room. Oh, it's just so cute. I love this. Yep. This is so adorable. Here's what it looks like with 2 of them hooked. Perfection. This would be cute over a dress. This is great with jeans. It just is so pretty. Hopefully you can see kind of the pattern through it. Ugh, I love it so much. Love. Okay. I don't think I can part with this one. So cute. So this is by Unreal Fur. It's the Polaris crop jacket. I'm wearing an extra small. Fits perfectly. The retail's $447. If I wanted to keep it, I get 20% off at $358. Love it. Love. So cute. And that is all my pieces. I will list all of these down below in case you would like to request any of them in your next box or shop them and put them in your next, would be your next case is what they call it. So you can easily shop yourself just like I did. I picked every one of these items. If you need help from a stylist, just request it. If you'd like to give this service a try, I'll put all my information down below. If you use my link, of course, you will get a discount as well as extra bonus items. Share your favorites. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.